So in this video, you'll learn how to turn an alarm on or off on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you want to temporarily disable an alarm without having to delete it from your phone, then this is what you need to do. Simply open the clock app and then you want to navigate to alarms. From here, you can see any and all the alarms that you currently have on your A56. So as you can see, there's this one alarm that's been temporarily disabled or it's been turned off, and then the other two alarms are turned on. So if I ever want to turn these alarms off, all I need to do is just tap on the toggle like that and it'll be disabled until I come back to this page and re-enable them by tapping on the toggle. Again, you can do the same with any other alarms listed. You can just tap on the toggle to turn it off and tap on the toggle to turn it on. And so that's how you can temporarily turn an alarm off and also turn it back on your A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.